Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how to add tasks on ClickUps. Maybe you want to add tasks in ClickUp so that you are keeping track with your to-dos. So today, I am going to teach you on how to add tasks on your ClickUps. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your ClickUp application. Once you open your ClickUp application, simply tap on this plus icon. And then in here, write your task name. For example, tutorials. After you write your task name, simply you can add a sub-task, add dates for the due dates, and add descriptions. For this one, I'll just simply tap on create button. As you can see, task is created. There you go. If you wanted to know how to add tasks on ClickUp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to add tasks on ClickUps, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.